Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Canon brand camera and it's giving you on the display, it's giving you an ERR02 error and you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So basically the ERR02 error has to do with the memory card that you have in the camera, that it can't read it for some reason. So basically, to fix this error, you need to go through the sort of normal steps when you're having an issue with your memory card. The first thing to do is just to take it out and then put it back in and see if, sometimes it just wasn't quite put in right. And just taking it out and putting it back in will fix it. The next thing you can do is you can just format your card with the camera. Go into the settings and format it via the camera. See if that doesn't fix it. And then if neither of those things work, and you can actually do this ahead of time before you go formatting anything. You can just try a different card inside the camera and see if if it's working with one card and not with another. You probably just need to format the card you have, or that card might be damaged and you just need a new card. But anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.